we present two new products of the ULTIMA ecosystem, Turbo Trading Pack plus Turbo Contract. This combination allows you to generate profit using the UTrading Bot, as well as get rewards simultaneously from two liquidity pools, the new Turbo Pool and the ULTIMA Pool. To start earning profits, you need to complete two steps. Purchase the Turbo Trading Pack on the UTrading or DeFi-U platform and activate the Turbo Split contract on the DeFi-U platform using USDT with ULTIMA freezing. Let's take a closer look at each product. Turbo Trading Pack is your single entry point that unlocks access to the key opportunities of the ULTIMA ecosystem. The pack includes trading performance for the UTrading Bot to get automated profits in USDT, Turbo Split promo limit, a license limit that grants access to launching splitting in the new Turbo Pool by activating a contract on DeFi-U. After purchasing the Turbo Trading Pack, you can go to DeFi-U and activate the Turbo Split contract by paying for it in USDT with ULTIMA frozen for 3 years. This payment method gives you additional advantages. ULTIMA freezing in the ULTIMA Pool in an amount equal to x2 the contract value. The ability to claim your first rewards from the ULTIMA Pool after just 24 hours. ULUCKY tokens for participating in raffles on the ULUCKY platform. UENERGY tokens for cost-efficient transactions within the ULTIMA ecosystem. The key feature of Turbo Minter Split contracts is that Turbo Minter Split tokens are not credited instantly, but are distributed in equal portions over 360 days. The first split payout will take place on March 1st, 2026. Step 1. Purchasing the Turbo Trading Promo Pack. Go to the UTrading website and log in. Scroll down the page. In the Turbo Trading Promo Pack section, you will see the available packages. Choose the package that suits you and click Purchase. A payment method selection window will open. At the moment, payment is available in USDT TRC20. Select USDT TRC20, click Accept All, and then click Purchase. A payment window with a QR code will appear. Transfer the exact specified amount to the provided address, either manually or by scanning the QR code using your mobile wallet. Once the transaction is processed, a successful payment confirmation message will appear. You can view the payment transaction in the Transactions section of the menu. Step 2. Purchasing the Turbo Minter Split contract on DeFi-U. After completing the payment, go to DeFi-U. On the dashboard, in the Turbo Minter Split license usage widget, you will see the updated Turbo limit values. To purchase a contract, scroll down the page and select the Turbo Minter Split Promo Contracts tab. Promo contract packages include an increased number of Turbo Minter Split tokens, as well as UENERGY and ULUCKY tokens. The exact amounts are shown on each contract card. Select a contract and click Purchase. A window will open where you need to choose a payment method. Only payment via USDT with ULTIMA freezing is available. In this case, ULTIMA is frozen in an amount equal to x2 the contract price. Select USDT with ULTIMA freezing for 3 years. Confirm your agreement with the terms, check the box, and click Purchase. Next, you need to specify the address of your ULTIMA wallet to which you will be able to receive the ULTIMA coins after 3 years. Please note, only your personal wallet on the ULTIMA chain to which you have full access may be used. If you specify an exchange address, you will not be able to receive the unfrozen coins. One unfreezing address can be specified no more than 100 times. Third-party wallets are not allowed. Paste your wallet address, check the confirmation box, and click Confirm. Important. After paying for the product, the age of all previously frozen ULTIMA on this wallet will be reset. Next, a page will open showing the USDT amount. and the address to which you need to send the transaction. The address will also be available as a QR code. Send the required amount to the specified wallet. Please make sure to send the exact amount shown on the screen, and remember to account for the network fee. Wait for the successful payment notification. Done. You have successfully purchased the Turbo Split Contract package. Immediately after payment, ULUCKY and UENERGY tokens will be credited to you. You can view the crediting transaction in the Block Explorer. The ULTIMA amount sent for freezing will be displayed in the wallet address you specified for unfreezing. The frozen amount will be twice the value of the contract package. After 3 years, you will be able to receive the frozen amount back. Frozen ULTIMA also gives you the right to participate in the ULTIMA Pool, and you will be able to request your first reward after just 24 hours directly from your wallet. Now return to the dashboard. You will see that the license limits have been updated in the dashboard. The available limit value in the Turbo Minter Split license usage widget will be reduced. Next, let's explain what Turbo Minter Split is and how Turbo Minter Split tokens are credited. Turbo Split is the token of the Turbo Pool. Holding this token allows you to request rewards in ULTIMA using splitting technology. The key difference between Turbo Minter Split and other splits is that when purchasing a contract package, you do not receive all tokens at once. Instead, tokens are credited daily in equal portions over 360 days. The first payout will take place on March 1st, 2026. You can check the payout status by clicking View Details in the Daily Minting Amount widget in your personal account. After clicking See Details, a list of your contracts will open. On each contract card, you will see the contract name, the order number, the number of Turbo Split tokens credited per day, the percentage of received tokens out of the total Turbo Minter Split tokens in the package, the total number of Turbo Minter Split tokens in the package. To view detailed daily statistics, click View Progress. In the opened window, you will be able to see all accruals over the full 360-day period. To start receiving rewards from the Turbo Pool, you need to withdraw Turbo Split tokens to your wallet. Token withdrawal will be available starting March 1st, 2026. We wish you successful work with ULTIMA products and high profits. If you have any questions, please contact support. We'll be happy to help.